are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. I'm going to go ahead and get right into the tutorial. We're going to be making a simple and easy reversible fabric bin. So the first thing you will need is fabric. So the measurements for this fabric is 9.5 inch by 10.5 inch. So you're going to need to cut 4 fabric altogether. It's the inside fabric, outer fabric, and you're going to need 2 of those. Then you're going to need some interfacing. I put 2 layers of this on top of the outer fabric for these 2. Also for this tutorial, you're going to need a little piece of scrapbooking paper. This measures 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch. We finish cutting everything out and putting your interfacing on your fabric. We're going to take the 2 outer fabrics from the 10.5 inch. You're going to lay it flat. You're going to be putting square paper and you're going to put it in here. Then you're going to mark that right there. Okay, once you finish marking your square, you're going to cut that out. Just get one of your outer fabric and your inner fabric. We're gonna lay the outer fabric, we're gonna lay facing up. Then we're gonna lay the inner fabric on top of the outer fabric. We're gonna do the same thing for both. And we're gonna go to our machine and we're gonna sew about 1/4 of an inch straight across here at the top and at the top here as well. Once you finish sewing, things flip it over, and then you're gonna want to iron this section here down so it can stay a little flat. We're gonna take one section, and then we're gonna place the other section, this one facing up and this one facing down, and we're gonna place it on top of each other, making sure everything is evened out. You're gonna be sewing here, 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 and then we're gonna sew here and then here, and then we're gonna leave a little gap, about a 2.5 inch gap right there. So we're gonna mark. Let's go ahead and mark that. You're gonna stop. You're gonna stop right here. So here, here, all the way over here, and then right here, and then right there, and then leave that gap right there. Now we're gonna fold those corners over, these little 4 corners, and we're gonna be pinning these down and sewing these together. You're gonna do the same thing for this side as well. Pin that down, make sure it's even out. Do the same thing for these 2 as well. You're gonna take it to the machine and you're gonna sew here, here, down here, and here. Once you finish sewing corners, and flip it inside out. And so now with that hole, I'll be sewing this gap all the way across. I'll lock that in and I'll sew that. There it is. And flip it inside out too as well. Reverse it. I just went ahead and store a whole bunch of random things inside of here just for this tutorial. I love it, y'all. It looks really good. It's awesome. There you have it. That's our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.